No power in a Colorado Springs kitchen is not a research project. Someone in Old Colorado City or on the west side searches electrician near me, emergency electrician Colorado Springs, panel replacement, outlet sparking. They want a licensed truck today. If you are missing from the map pack, that call is not coming to your shop. Being the careful electrician does not help if Google never shows the listing. Electrical work here is trust plus speed. The profile needs the electrician category, not general contractor. Services should list the jobs people actually type. Panel, EV charger, recessed lights, emergency, photos of real vans, real panels, real job sites, recent reviews that mention Colorado Springs neighborhoods, not a 5-star average with no dates. License and insurance on the site help people tap. Hours have to be honest. If you run after hours, say so. If you do not fake 24-hour and then miss the callback. NAP has to match the license paperwork and the website. Winning electrician listings here show real panels, real vans, and reviews that mention emergency or EV charger jobs in Colorado Springs. They show up for electrician near me because the profile looks licensed and open, not because the shop has the nicest lobby. We will look at electrician Colorado Springs the same way we look at plumbers. Who is in the 3-pack? Why you are not? What to fix so the next tripped breaker can become a dispatch? Month to month. Call 719-639-8238 and tell us what you do and where you do it. No pressure, no sales script, just a clear plan, or go to caseysSEO.com.